Now we are on the Jvzoo site, jvzoo.com, and you are going to be registering with the Jvzoo. It's going to be a very easy task, not complicated. So go to jvzoo.com and start here for free. Once you are there, full name, email, password, you can read the terms and conditions and then click on agree. So after you have read the terms, agree and click on register. So once you have clicked on register, you're going to go to the next page. Yes, so register there, and then you can go through. You can see once you have registered, we are going to be able to start filling the form. You're going to receive an email in your inbox welcoming you to Jvzoo and encouraging you to click on that link. You finish your registration. So once you click on that link, it will take you back to our sign-in page, and there you are going to choose the payment method. In case you earn your money, how will you get it? So you can choose PayPal, you can choose Blue Snap, you can choose Stripe, you can choose Express Pay. So everything is about you. Choose what is most appropriate for you, and I think most of the countries are covered in this. That is the whole purpose, so all people can be able to participate. So most of them have been listed here, and therefore you can go ahead and choose what you think is appropriate, and that is very important. So once you have chosen, you're going to configure now any of them that you have chosen. You can check if your country is one of the countries that are applicable, where this is applicable. So if it is one of the countries where this is applicable, click on OK and go ahead and configure your account. Once that is done, it means that you are ready to start working on Jvzoo, and you can start earning. You can start working as an affiliate and start earning. So once everything is done, you receive a notification that you have set it up properly, sign in and get started. With that said, you're going to add a funding source. For example, if you're going to be, your funding source is one of those methods that you have chosen, and once that is done, then you are done with setting up your account. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to start going to the marketplace and how you can start earning online. So that is it for now. Let's meet in the next video when I'm showing you how to start picking offers.